Hello all, this is Joyraj, the head and core of Grow90, and today I'm back with this wonderful tutorial on how to send bulk email. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to send bulk emails to all of your email list using our dashboard. So without doing any delay, let's just jump into the tutorial. First of all, you'll be needing a third-party email sender. Instead of creating a SMTP email servers, you just can use this third-party email sender. For example, in our tutorial, we are using Mailgun, so you can use Mailgun or SendGrid. So Mailgun's emails are not that much spammy, so 90% of your mail doesn't goes into the spam. So let's just get started. First of all, you should create an account on Mailgun, and after creating the account on Mailgun, you have to sign in. For example, in my case, I'm signing with this email ID. So enter your email ID. It will go ask you to authorize. I am using this GitHubs for authorization, so I have to sign in through GitHub. So after you sign in through GitHub, you can directly go to the sending section. There you'll see that there is a domain section, so you have to add your domain ID. How to add the domain ID? There is an exclusive video from this Mailgun where they have already given a tutorial on how to add domains in your this panel. So after you add the domain, if you have not added the domain, you can directly go in the video which I have linked in the description below. So after doing that, you can come here and directly go to the settings, and you can go to API keys. So after going there, you can directly see there will be private API key. So first of all, you have to directly copy those API key and go to the dashboard of Grow90. For example, I'll go to grow90.dashboard. So after going to the dashboard, there'll be a button on a site data. If you go to the site data, there it will be written that Mailgun private API key. If you don't have that, you have to add it from here, and if you have that, you have to edit it there. If you are adding it, then you have to write this thing, Mailgun a private API key, and below you have to paste that API key which you have collected it from the Mailgun site. So after you save this, and now you can directly go to, you have to create, before directly going to the bulk email sender, you have to create a send email default. So for creating a send email default, just click on add. In my case, I've already created, so I'll directly go and click on edit. So after going there, you'll be seeing the key is send email default. So you have to create this key and then paste your email ID. So email ID, the initial part you can set it anything, but the ending part needs to be set depending upon what domain you have already added in your domains list of SendGrid. For in my case, I have already added a domain name as tactable.co.in, so I'll be having an email ID at noreply@tactable.co.in. I can anyway change it to any other email ID. For example, joydash@tactable.co.in, but let me keep it like noreply@tactable.co.in. So after you are done with this, directly go to the send bulk email section. So after going there, you can either upload through CSV or JSON all the email list you have. So that JSON or CSV list should have a column name as email. Only to that email the mail will be sent. So first of all, you have to load the JSON file. For example, now I'm gonna load the JSON file from sample JSON. So I'll go there, click on that. The JSON file is loaded. You can go click in this and check whether it's loaded or not properly. Now you have to click on again this, and now you have to create a new mail. For example, you can either create like subject, hi, and all these things are there. So and you can either select HTML or plain. And for in this tutorial, I am selecting in the plain. And now you have to send it. For sending, you directly click on this. Now click your provider. You can use SendGrid or Mailgun. I'm using Mailgun, and directly send. Yeah, the email is being sent. Now you can go there in your inbox and wait for some more time. Yeah, so in this email, it was kind of an update for that Gmail. So it went to the update section. So your mail will be sent to the person you want to send the email. So there are other features explaining you in the upcoming future tutorial. Thank you, and go and join our group at grow90.consulting. Thank you.